In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Zoom meeting to Outlook Calendar. First, open Outlook on your desktop. Give it a moment to load fully so all the menus appear. If you're not already signed in, enter your work or school account and complete any multi-factor prompts so Outlook can connect to your mailbox. Being signed in ensures your calendar, contacts, and add-ins sync correctly. Once Outlook is open, look along the top ribbon and switch to the Home tab. Here's where you'll find the tools you need. Click the Get Add-ins button. This opens the Office Add-ins store, where you can extend Outlook's features. In the search bar, type Zoom for Outlook. When it appears, select it and click Add. Outlook will install the add-in and make it available in your Calendar and Message Compose windows. If you don't see the option to add it, you may need permission from your organization's administrator. So check with your IT team. With the add-in installed, go to your Outlook calendar. Click New Meeting or New Event to start creating an invite. Fill in the details. Add a clear meeting title, pick the date and time, and invite your attendees. If you work across time zones, confirm the time zone shown is correct so the invite arrives at the right local time for everyone. Next, look at the meeting toolbar for the Zoom icon. Click it, then choose Add a Zoom Meeting. Outlook may prompt you to sign in to your Zoom account the first time. Go ahead and sign in and authorize the connection. This allows Outlook to request a Zoom meeting on your behalf, so you don't have to jump between apps. After authorization, Outlook automatically inserts the Zoom meeting information into the body of your invite. You'll see the join link and other details generated by Zoom. At this point, review everything. Confirm the title, date, time, and attendee list, and double-check that the Zoom link appears in the description. If you need to make changes, adjust them now. The link will stay attached to the event. When everything looks good, click Send to distribute the invite, or Save if you're not ready to send it yet. Your attendees will receive a calendar invitation that includes the Zoom join link, and the event will appear on your calendar with the Zoom details built in. If you later reschedule the meeting, Outlook will send updates automatically, and the Zoom meeting remains linked to the event. That's it. You've added a Zoom meeting to your Outlook calendar quickly and reliably, all within the Outlook desktop app.